Every new motorcycle frame begins with metal that once carried countless journeys. Before transformation begins, every machine is carefully evaluated. Thousands of kilograms of discarded steel prepare for a second life. Precise tracking ensures every piece of recyclable steel is accounted for. Material separation for efficient recycling. What once seemed worthless now becomes valuable raw material. What once seemed worthless now becomes valuable raw material. Ahead lies the place where forgotten motorcycles will become the backbone of new machines. The recovered motorcycles arrive at the facility where transformation begins. Every shipment is verified before entering the production chain. Inside these walls, discarded steel begins its path toward renewal. The first step inside the factory is controlled material intake. Careful inspection ensures the material matches production requirements. Tons of aging metal move closer to the recycling process. Organization at this stage keeps the entire factory moving efficiently. Beyond these doors, the old motorcycles begin their transformation into new motorcycle frames. Inside the stage is designed to recover value from discarded steel. The journey continues through a carefully controlled industrial process. Digital tracking follows every kilogram of recyclable material. Each frame is directed to the appropriate recovery pathway. Before steel can be reborn, every unnecessary component must be removed. Heavy lifting systems move materials efficiently through the facility. Preparation ensures every material stream can be recovered efficiently. The real transfer sortation begins as it enters the stage of processing. The first task is separating steel from decades of accumulated components, seats, efficient separation maximizes recovery from every discarded motorcycle. Clean metal reveals the true condition of the recovered steel. Advanced sorting systems prepare steel for the next stage of recovery. Material grading ensures consistent quality throughout production. Now the recovered steel is ready for its most dramatic transformation. The recovered motorcycle frames now enter the heart of the recycling process. Larges are reduced into manageable pieces for further refinement. Uniform material flow is essential for efficient redoxing. Further refinement creates the consistency required for high-quality steel recovery. Precise sizing improves the efficiency of every subsequent operation. Magnetic separation isolates the valuable steel needed for future motorcycle frames. The recovered steel is gathered and prepared for remanufacturing. What was once rusted scrap is now ready to become new steel once again. The recovered steel now enters the stage where its structure will be completely reborn. Decades of wear disappear as the metal prepares for a new beginning. Under extreme temperatures, old motorcycle steel becomes liquid once more. Careful refining ensures the recycled steel meets strict metric standards.
Järjestyksessä jatketaan.
The recycled steel leaves the furnace and begins its journey toward forming. Precision handling keeps the recycled steel moving through the transformation process. From discarded motu steel is born and ready for shaping. Automation begins shaping recycled steel into future motorcycle frame material. Every millimeter is controlled to meet strict engineering requirements. Digital monitoring ensures consistency throughout the manufacturing process. Controlled cooling gives the strength cooling programmed for required for future motorcycle frames. Automation improves speed, precision, and workplace safety. Continuous inspection helps maintain the highest manufacturing standards. The recycled steel is finally ready to become the structure of a new motorcycle frame. The recycled steel now begins its final transformation into a new motorcycle frame. Every bend must match exact engineering specifications. Individual components come together to form the skeleton of a new motorcycle. Precision welding creates the strength required for years of future service. deep structural integrity. Every joint is verified before the frame proceeds further. Careful finishing prepares the frame for protective treatment. Surface preparation ensures long-lasting durability and protection, ready for then protection. The recycled steel has become a new motorcycle frame, ready for final verification. Before approval, every motorcycle frame must pass rigorous testing. Accuracy at this stage determines the quality of the final product. Every weld is examined beyond what the eye can see. The internal structure of the steel confirms the success of the recycling process. Durability testing ensures the frame is prepared for real-world demands. Protection and appearance must meet the same high standards as strength. Only fully come frames earn approval for shipment. The transformation is complete, and the new motorcycle frames are ready to leave the factory. After rigorous testing, the motorcycle frames enter the final stage of their journey. Careful packaging preserves the quality achieved throughout production. Every frame receives a complete production history for full traceability. Automation ensures efficient handling while protecting every frame. The finished products await shipment to motorcycle manufacturers.
Years of experience and advanced technology converge at the shipping dock.
The recycled steel is now ready to begin a new life on future motorcycles. And this is how in factories, and this is how modern fact produce new motorcycle frames from old, rusted motorcycles from start to refinish.